Sustainability of development. Suppose for the present that a particular country is quite developed. We would certainly like this level of development to go up further, or at least be maintained for future generations. This is obviously desirable. However, since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that the present type and levels of development are not sustainable. Groundwater is an example of renewable resource. Renewable resources are replenished by nature, as in the case of crops and plants. However, even these resources may be overused. For example, in the case of groundwater, if we use more than what is being replenished by rain, then we would be overusing this resource. Non-renewable resources are those which will get exhausted after years of use. We have a fixed stock on Earth which cannot be replenished. We do discover new resources that we did not know of earlier. However, over time, even these will get exhausted. For example, crude oil that we extract from the earth is a non-renewable resource. However, we may find a source of oil that we did not know of earlier. Explorations are being undertaken all the time. If we look at this table, we will realize how many years the crude oil reserve will last. The table gives an estimate of reserves of crude oil as shown in column 1. More importantly, it also tells us for how many years the stock of crude oil will last if people continue to extract it at the present rate. The reserves will last only 43 years more. This is for the world as a whole. However, different countries face different situations. Countries like India depend on importing oil from abroad because they do not have enough stocks of their own. If prices of oil increase, this becomes a burden for everyone. There are countries like USA which have low reserves and hence want to secure oil through military or economic power.